Yeah, hi, my name is Woodring Sempre, and I want you guys to see all the kids in my orphanage. This is this is little Jeremiah. This is Joab. Joab is 7. This is Woody.
I'm 12.
This is Philip. Hennessy. Listen, ladies and gentlemen, for 30 cents a day, you can feed a little child like this.
That's not funny.
Look at him. I mean, we're missing the flies, but he's pretty skinny. For 30 cents a day, look at him. See? Look at her. Her lips are red because she's eating. Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, we cannot be giving the kids no secret, you know. We want to give them juice. They like the red stuff. They like the red stuff. For 30 cents a day, we could send a little beautiful girl like this to school. For 30 cents a day, we could take this beautiful child out of poverty. So this is Woodring Sempre. And this is the Fouye Orphanage. Money. What do you want to say to the people, to the public?
Please give them some food, some money. That's all we have. 30 cents a day.
30 cents a day. For 30 cents a day, we could have nice warm spaghetti like this.
Yes. In a nice place.
I'm telling you all, people. I'm telling you all. Give me $1,000 for God's sake.
No, you don't ask for $1,000 when you're asking.
I would kill him.
What?
If you put this in YouTube.
Oh my God.